Amy is a busy laboratory manager. She has a long list of problems, and the aging SampleManager LIMS is not helping. Everyone in the lab complains that the LIMS can't keep up with changes in lab protocols. IT worries about the cost and security risk of supporting the older servers and clients. Now Mark, the LIMS developer, just turned in his 2-week notice. He's leaving for a startup. Amy isn't thrilled with the LIMS either. It takes hours to compile her key performance metrics for report outs. And on top of all of that, her lab budget is being cut again. Amy is under a lot of pressure. She knows something needs to be done, but she's dreading an upgrade. She's stressed about justifying the time, cost, and disruptions to the lab. Amy needs to call Asterix, a trusted Thermo Fisher scientific partner. The Asterix A team can dispel her upgrade worries. They will deliver an upgrade with predictable costs, accelerated delivery, and reduced demands on her lab and IT staff. Will upgrading SampleManager fix Amy's problems? Her biggest problem is speed and adaptability. Her lab is moving faster than the outdated SampleManager system can. SampleManager 11 introduces graphical workflows that remove the need to have a VGL developer. Now it is easy for the lab to modify SampleManager as needs arise. In the past, Mark spent days writing VGL code to enable SampleManager to split and merge samples. 1,560 lines of code to create and maintain. Here you can see Amy doing the same thing using workflows. It's simple, requires no programming experience, and gives Amy complete control. Bye, Mark. That alone would be enough to warrant upgrading, but SampleManager 11 has more for Amy. IT has made it clear keeping older servers and technology running is costly and creates compliance and security risks. Upgrading will cure this headache. SampleManager 11 uses current client and server technology. What about those time-consuming report outs? After upgrading, Amy will be able to compile her reports in minutes instead of hours using SampleManager 11's powerful LIMS visualization dashboards. The upgrade also includes lots of other new features to make life in the lab simpler for Amy. Multi-sample logins, creation of subsamples, easy test selection, raw data management, improved instrument integration, and tools to make document management simple. Amy will never have to go searching for that paper SOP again. SampleManager 11 brings so many solutions to our lab. Now is the time to upgrade, but how does she justify the cost? Asterix will make it easy for Amy by sending the Asterix A team to thoroughly review her lab and existing SampleManager LIMS. The Asterix A team will produce a specific upgrade analysis report for Amy, detailing how SampleManager 11 will improve her lab productivity and cut cost. She will have all the information she needs to justify the upgrade. Amy is starting to get excited. She understands the value of SampleManager 11 and can easily justify the cost. But how does she minimize the disruptions to the lab? Asterix makes upgrading simple. The Asterix A team specialists, experts in science, technology, and lab management, bring decades of SampleManager and upgrade experience to help minimize lab disruptions. Practice makes perfect. Amy's staff is already working full tilt. How can she keep the lab working with no interruptions during the upgrade? Asterix can provide temporary reinforcements to ensure day-to-day lab operations run smoothly, letting her trusted team drive the upgrade process. To review, upgrading to SampleManager 11 has many benefits to save time and reduce cost. Features that increase LIMS adaptability, make IT happy, and save time on reports and other daily work. Asterix makes it easy to upgrade. The Asterix A team can eliminate your upgrade worries with your custom upgrade analysis and decades of expert experience. They can even provide reinforcements so your lab continues to function seamlessly. You can experience an upgrade with predictable cost, accelerated delivery, and reduced demands on your lab and IT staff with the Asterix A team upgrade platform. Click on the link below to learn more about how the Asterix A team can solve some of your problems today.